In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use N8n in the easiest way possible. And we're going to do this all in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and get started with this powerful automation tool, designed to make your workflow processes more efficient than ever. To begin, head on over to the AI workflow automation platform known as N8n. If you haven't checked this platform out before, it's a versatile tool that helps automate tasks across different applications, saving you both time and hassle. Once you're on the N8n homepage, locate the Sign In button at the upper right corner of the screen. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. You can easily create one by following the on-screen prompts. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to the N8n dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your workflows. The dashboard provides a clean and intuitive interface, making it straightforward to view and organize your automations. If it's your first time here, taking a moment to explore these sections can help you get acquainted with the different features available. Now, let's create a new workflow. Look for the button labeled Create Workflow and click on it. This step marks the beginning of building your first automation process. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so you'll find that setting up workflows is a seamless experience. Once you've clicked to create a new workflow, you'll be taken to a canvas where your creativity can really shine. This is where you can start constructing your automation by adding nodes. Click on Add Nodes, and you'll discover a variety of options to choose from. Nodes are essentially the building blocks of your workflow. They represent tasks or actions that you want to automate. Adding a node is as easy as selecting from the list of ready-made functions or tasks that N8n provides. Whether you need something simple like sending an email or more complex tasks like data transformation, there's likely a node available for it. Just click on the desired node, and it's added to your workflow where you can configure it to suit your specific needs. Once you've added and configured all your nodes, ensure everything is connected properly to create a seamless flow of tasks. The visual editor allows you to click and drag, making the connections intuitive and easy to handle. Take a moment to review your setup, ensuring that each node transition appears logical and error-free. There you have it, a basic introduction to setting up your first automation on N8n. With practice, you'll find that the possibilities are endless. Remember, automating tasks is not only about saving time, it's also about improving accuracy and consistency in your workflow processes. So go ahead and explore all that N8n has to offer and transform the way you work with its powerful automation capabilities.